On behalf of Kirtilals, we welcome you this afternoon. Our founder, my grandfather, Shri Kirtilals Celebrates, had with him one parcel of the highest quality diamonds with him, which he was suggested he bring that highest quality of diamond parcel to Tamil Nadu, South India. In 1939, he established the first ever diamond jewelry store at Raja Street in Coimbatore. And grew this one boutique into a...
Even today, we continue this vision by constantly exploring new opportunities, new markets, new industries, and we have grown now to 9 stores across South India.
So many generations, they have all heard about their contributions and what they have done. So it's a celebration of legacy and commitment, dedication to perfection. She herself is an artist, a Kathak dancer, and the family, the whole family is so cultured and so graceful. So we are very happy to be here. Yesterday we performed in Coimbatore, and we have series of concerts. The collaboration with the British Symphonia is Annabella. She herself is a musician also. She is the manager of British Symphonia.
The rest for the performance tonight, but she would like to apologise for not being here. We are very much enjoying being here and very grateful to everyone who has made it possible. And we are here tonight, and we're going to Mumbai and then Hyderabad and Bangalore. And we're very much looking forward to seeing those cities and performing with ourselves.